Takže zdravím všechny u dnešního videa a dneska tu pro vás mám další strašidelné věci natočené youtubery nebo streamery. A pokud u dnešního videa dáme 2000 lajků, tak si pro vás připravím další díl. To by bylo vše a už zase
But yeah, that was the tragic story of my my bringing down of my dearest Lydia. Oh my! The fuck was that? Come Elvis. Elvis, let go of my headphones. Dude, the light, you just turned it off and it went back on?
Turned to keep following me, I would have been creeped the fuck out. Wait, he turned. Wait, he turned. Wait, do I run? Do I run? All the lights are red now. I'm running. Fuck, man! You know me? Why did you do that? Come on, man. That was fucked up.
I mean, you seem pretty scared. Like,
No, because the trap made me scared, you know, it wasn't me.
yeah, that was
Materials that you'll need to create a cover sheet are, of course, you'll need some scissors, you'll need some tape. I like to use the thick masking tape. You'll need some double-sided tape your artwork is mounted to.
go this way there.
Wait, hold on a second, what the fuck? Hold on,
What is that guy
I'm trying to zoom, I'm trying to fucking zoom.
What is he doing though?
I don't know, is that one of those fucking clowns?
It better not be. That's just a joke though.
It's got, what?
That's just a joke.
Alright, should we
Hey, how you doing, man?
Shut the fuck up! What the fuck? Oh,
Oh fuck! Jake's fucking running! Oh fuck! Shit! Oh, it's fucking fell! Go! Oh shit! Fuck this, bro! He's fucking coming, bro! Go! What the fuck? Guys, I don't wanna fucking do this. He's catching us! What the fuck, man? Why the fuck did you bring me here? What the fuck, Jake? Why is this shit happening to us? Trees, go the fucking trees.
shut up! Oh my fucking god. Throw your water bottle. Throw it that way. What the fuck, Jake? It's me. Fucking ass.
let's just get into the cars and let's go. Oh, what the fuck, Jake? Go! Fuck! Go to the fucking car! Oh, fuck! Go! Turn that fucking thing on! Fuck! I'm back! Shit, he's got a fucking... Go! Go! Oh, fuck!